Hello, y'all. This may not look like much, but you never can guess what I'm doing. That's right. I'm doing the Po Girls way of gardening. I'm going to start with them there tomatoes. Those burpy tomatoes. Anyhow, this is the best I can do with what I've got. And if I get one plant, that's great. If I get 50 plants, that's even better. What I don't eat, I'll give to my neighbors. But I'm sifting through. I've got eggshells already ground up. I've got this reconstituted soil. I've got this here reconstituted soil. Yes, I'm going to cheat, and I'm going to use this because I found it dumpster diving. And I live in West Texas, and it is what it is. Hold on a minute. Let's look at these. This is what I'm going to plant right here. It's going to be my first little go around. And see, I've got those kind of set down in there like that. And everything. So, and oh, I got my house slippers on. Yes. And my sweatpants, and I'm just sitting out here enjoying the day and trying to move forward. And these little containers that salads and pastries and all that kind of stuff come in. See, I got those little containers and those little containers. They make great greenhouses. So let's see here. Let me finish doing what I'm doing. I can't afford to go out and buy potting soil. I have no money. The seeds I got with my food stamps. Egg crate, I'm cutting it up. I'm going to recycle it. And we're going to plant tomatoes in this one little thing. And then these other ones, I got some other stuff I'm going to plant. So, let's see how this works out. I need to cut some more of this right here. Right here. I don't really even have to cut it. I can tear it. See, it tears real easy. It tears up very easily. See how easy that tears? Put a little dirt in there. Put some more dirt in there. See? And it's starting to fill up. And this is going to make tomatoes. You know, I don't care what nobody says. I'm going to use that Miracle-Gro. Right now, I don't have the option to do all organic or anything like that. The Miracle-Gro is not organic. The rest of this stuff is, except for, of course, the plastic and the egg cartons. That's not organic. That's processed. I mean, you know, it's like splitting peas. Really. But you can do this. You just get you some dirt somewhere and sift through it and add your eggshells to it. And if you got orange peels, you know, cut you some orange peels up and let them dry out. Put that in there, crumble them up. You're going to make your own soil. But this is small scale gardening for me. Let me take you out here and show you where I'm going to put it. Okay? You're going to have to excuse me. I'm kind of wobbling around. Oh, man. I'm not 100%, but I'm better. Okay, here's this area right here. It's going to be raised. I'm composting right now. The leaves. It's flooded area. So there's a trench dug out. All that dirt in that trench has been put on top of these leaves. And I'll, get to it as I can. There's these old things over here. I found these. And they're going to do well. I've got some wire cutters, some bolt cutters, that I'm going to cut both of these in half. Pretty good. I found those out in the alley. But, yeah, that's where my garden's going to go with my grandson. It's going to be a project. I'm going to teach him some horticulture on gardening with nothing. With just what you got, and you're making it work. Okay? Let me get back over here and get this other stuff started. See, there's my setup. In case you wonder about Bugout, there's my setup. Here's my Yeti. There's my other phone. That's my phone that I get my calls on. Took this old dead tree, had a huge root ball on it. Breaking it up, cleaning it out. That's not part of the gardening stuff. This right here is not part of the gardening stuff. That's my grandson's racetrack toy thing. This yellow thing is actually a rock sifter, gravel sifter for when I was at the Diamond State Park there in Arkansas. Man, I had so much fun. I didn't find no diamonds, but I had fun. So that's my sifter. But anyway, let me get back to this stuff and I'll show y'all what it's like on the ending. Okay, we're going to go ahead and open these up. I usually just kind of hit this right here, fill up here for any seeds. Open this up right here. It's kind of hard to see what I'm doing. And oh, look, we got quite a few seeds down in there. So what I'm going to do is probably going to put a couple seeds in each one of these. Kind of stir this up a little bit. These burpee seeds are supposed to be pretty good. Well, I'll just put a few in there. Hey, why not? Okay. Make a little hole. Just gonna put a few in each one of these. I can separate them later. Push them down in there. Ain't gotta be nothing special. Ain't gotta be all that fancy shit that you'll be seeing farmers do. I mean, it helps if you can do it, but you know what? I ain't got it. I just, I'm poor. I'm gonna push these seeds down in this dirt here. Real simple little technique. Any fallout, they'll grow in the bottom. Put 4 or 5 in that one. That's okay. See? Pull the rest of it back in there. Gonna close this up for safekeeping. Put it over there. Now what I'm gonna do, sorry about that, I'm gonna get a little bit more of this here. I'm gonna tear one of these off. See, I tore Tore another one of these things off. And, gonna get a little bit of her. We're just gonna baby it there. This is about all the babying you're gonna get from me. Besides water in it. I guess I could put a couple of them in that thing. Let's go ahead and do that. In a few weeks, all this is going to be coming up. I'm going to get my handy dandy seeds back out. Because they're handy dandy. I'll get a couple of them put down in there. There we go. Put a little bit more dirt on top of it. See this dirt? This is the kind of dirt that West Texas has. But that's okay. Check. Let's get her done. Now I'm fixing to water them. Oh, look, I got my handy dandy watering canteen. We're gonna go water these. Gonna give them just a little something. Just a little something. Nothing special. See, just a little bit. I got my drainage holes dug out. Let's put that back down. Oh, Lordy be. I tell you what, it ain't easy being me. But I'm sure it ain't easy being you either. Now, my lid that came with the salad mix is going to go on top. And you have your miniature greenhouse. And that's how you do it. Now, let's watch and see how these babies come up. Okay? Appreciate your time. Appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment on any suggestions that you might have as well. So others might be able to learn from you, including myself. And then we're going to go on to the next bit. Maybe I'll do some more tomatoes. Damn, that's going to be a lot of tomatoes. Anyhow, like and subscribe. I'm out of breath. I'm hurting. But you know what? That's okay, because I'm still here. Keep on prepping. Ciao, baby.